Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. One of the main concepts of Nazism was inverted comma racial hygiene inverted comma full stop, marriage between Jews and non-Jews was not permitted, and inverted comma non-Aryans inverted comma were deprived of the benefits of German citizenship full stop between 1939 and 1945, comma, around 6 million Jews were murdered full stop. It is commonly referred to as the Holocaust full stop. It amounted to 2/3 of Jewish population in Europe full stop. Paragraph change. In 1938, comma, Hitler signed the Munich Treaty, which attached Sudetenland districts to Germany full stop. In 1941, comma, Hitler violated the non-aggression pact with Stalin, comma, invading Soviet Union full stop following Japan's attack on Pearl Harbor, comma, Germany was face to face with the other three powers, US, comma, Britain and Soviet Union full stop. After 1942, comma, Germany suffered several defeats full stop. Paragraph change. On 29th April, comma, 1945, comma, Hitler married Eva Braun full stop. He was informed soon of the assassination of Italian dictator Mussolini full stop, so terrified of surrendering to enemies, comma, he and Eva committed suicide on 30th April, comma, 1945 full stop. Paragraph change. While we loathe at Hitler for his genocide of millions of innocent people, comma, we can also take a leaf or two, comma, out of his positive side, full stop. There were a number of rare qualities in him, comma, which we can certainly imbibe, full stop. Paragraph change. He had excellent leadership and oratorical skills, full stop. When he spoke, comma, everybody used to listen and become charged, full stop. He never used to be tired of traveling from town to town and gave several speeches in a single day, full stop. He united a depressed and demoralized nation, full stop. He was zealous and wanted his nation to have a mission, full stop. He built several freeways, full stop, under him, comma, the V2 technology to send rockets into space, comma, was invented, full stop. He banned the use of atomic weapons, comma, smoking, comma, alcohol and meat, full stop. He in fact, comma, freed many small nations from the rule of Britain and France, full stop. Paragraph change. Even though, comma, we can't go back in time to correct his mistakes, comma, we can definitely take inspiration from his positive attributes, full stop. Hitler was a villain, comma, no doubt, comma, but There was a leader in him, comma, which few have acknowledged, full stop. There was never someone like him in the annals of world history, and perhaps won't ever be again in future, full stop, stop.